Okay, good morning, everyone. So today's topic is search.
Good
Ad-
morning.
Good morning. Today's topic is search advertising. One concept left in the unit 4. So search advertising, it is also known as paid search advertising. You can see the image. So how if you want any products or anything to be purchased on internet, you can give some this one keywords or any of the things you can type there in the Google page. So sell your car. If you want to sell your car, you can type as sell your car, so that this will be showing the paid ads in the particular Google pages, or maybe the related all these how many options are there, it will be visible with the ranking, or one by one you can go through. So this is what the paid search advertising. So Google advertising and search engine marketing, so it is also called as Google advertising or search engine marketing. It is a marketing technique that places online advertisements in the search engine results. So it is a technique what the in the website, or maybe if you when you find out when you want to get some information about any of the aspect, you can go for typing there, so that it will be directly showing a link, and it will take to a particular website where you are in, where you can get the information which you would like to get for any products or any of the resale of a car. All this, it can be done. So businesses who take place ads in the search results pay a small fee every time somebody clicks on one of their ads. So this is what the pay per click advertising. So here business who place ads here in the search results pay a small fee every time when somebody clicks. Like as a customer, when they click the particular ad, they have to pay it to the particular advertising. That's why its name is pay per click advertising. Search advertising is a technique that involves displaying ads in search engine results the moment someone searches for specific keywords, or that the ads displayed perfectly match the query. So this is how it will be showing, like how in the this image I have taken as an example. So anything if you would like to get, you can type there and you can get the information. Paid search ads are incredibly efficient and can offer benefit for almost any types of the business here. It is a search engine in a keyword basis. So keyword, you can enter any of the words related to either car, or maybe any of the helmets if you want, or maybe any of the safety equipments if you want. So you can type there, it will be showing a particular ad. So key terms and concepts here. So it is the same as so many keywords. It is a repeated one what we have already discussed in that. Just a full form of that as a click through, or maybe click through rate and conversion rate. How you make the customers to buy the product, or maybe cost per action, cost per their click. And Google AdWords, what the Google is giving the ad to a particular company's product. Then impression, how it is. Then key phrases or keywords, what they use for searching the products. Organic results, or maybe this natural result, what it shows when you enter some topics or any of the keywords. And paid search advertising, it is also called as a pay per click sometimes. So quality scores a Google, that is keyword in the text, and to a user search query. So what is the quality that the information what it provides in the particular website, and what's the quality score for that. Return on investment, the ratio of profit to cost. So search term, the keywords a user enters when searching on a search engine. Search engine results page, the actual results returned to the users based on a search engine. So it is a search engine results page. It is nothing but, see the previous example. Same thing, when you enter there, how many results it will be displayed down. So this is what the search engine uh, result page. So what it shows when you want to get some information. So that is about the key terms. Now the elements of search ads. So what and all to be concentrated here, ad text. So ad text, how it is heading. Now you might have observed with the same example how the title it is. See, we buy your car 2 hours. So we buy cars.com. So this is the heading or a title you have to give it properly with the headline, part 1 and part B, and some maximum of 30 characters. So limit should be required. You cannot go with the lengthy what heading to be given. You have to see what's the sweet and short, and it should be very attractive to the customers. Those type of what the ads you have to, product text you have to frame it, and then you have to go for uploading. Then some general guidelines you have to follow. No repeated exclamation marks. No word may be written in capitals only. No nonsense words may be used. No claims of best or maybe number one. Like the superlative terms need to be avoided. You cannot exaggerate the term there. So product numbers may be used, and no phone numbers allowed in the copy. So all these some general guidelines you have to mention for the purpose of things. So one more thing to be concentrated, writing effective copy. When you write their effective copy, again you have to see that whether it will be giving some information to the customers or not. So you have to write something like try now or a sign up now, buy now, all these some things that they can go next step. Like when they click that link, they should feel that okay, it is easier, I can access it. Like that you have to make them give some of the terms here, so which will helpful for them to take the necessary information which they would like to take. So that is the thing that is included in the first as add text. There is one of the elements. So here we have to concentrate on headings, then some guidelines to be followed, then how to write an effective copy, advertisement copy. Then comes as a display URL. So URLs you might be knowing, it is a link or maybe website like www or http dot this one will be giving a link, like, so that should be showing the particular, whenever they click a link it should go to the particular information. So URL, it stands here uniform resource locator, nothing but the web address. So it is a web address what we click particular link, so it will be opening. So that is you have to give them. So that is we have already seen in that particular ad. See there down as a their website, it is there www.com. So those kind of it should be you have to highlight, so that whenever they click the particular link it should directly go to the information to get. So there is a display thing. Then add extension, you have to give some add extension to that. So here for add extension, so we can see here how the ad extension will be there. Like they are giving here find more information, like big ads officials or maybe big networks, all this they are giving the name, some additional information you can get here. This is what gives an additional link or ad extension, like little bit more information about a particular the car as an example. When you take, you can give them necessary still more extension to the particular ad. So this is how we can go with. So this is a one example. Now, based on here we have to concentrate on ad extension. When you give, you have, there are 10 things to be concentrated, like as location extension. You have to give them location like a map or a Google map. It should give the location you can find out with that particular the extension or maybe a link. So second, as call extension, you can like allow you to display the local phone number in a line below the standard text. Some numbers or they are giving some inquiry numbers there that can be displayed. App extension, you can give them app also to download the opportunity to download it or be option to download it. There is an app extension can be given. Review extension, this is like some positive third party reviewers. They might have given some opinion about this website is good, you can go through it, it is a trustworthy, or their negative, all their positive views will be displayed. That will be helpful here. So this is the one more. Next as site link extension, so it is up to 6 extra links to pages to your website. They'll be showing still more information by giving you option for again around 6 links, additional links you can go for searching your information. Call out extension, this includes additional text with your search ads, such as more information about your business, products, like services that can be giving again call out extension. It is a more than what you expect in the form of a business, products, everything it is. Consumer rating, again best rating what the consumers have given for a particular ad. So this is the things involved. Then their previous visits, so customers those have visited already to the website, so their information. Then dynamic structure snippets, so this is some codes they are giving here for a structure snippets. Is nothing but code automatically generated some code, so that information of the customers will be saved so that they can go with however number of customers, how many numbers of customers have visited to the websites. Then seller rating. So what's the similarly the customer how rates the thing, and third party how the rates the seller also will be giving a rating here for a particular this what selling unit. So how their experience, all this they are sharing there. So all these 10 elements here will be helpful to see the ad edition. So this is a complete one topic about the ad elements of the search engine. Here we have to concentrate ad text, then display URL, then additional ad link, ad extension here in the form of location need to be given in the Google Map. All extension based on the numbers, app need to be downloaded, then review of the third party positive informations, then any extra site links can be provided in the form of site link, and call outs extension, again additional information related to the business, and customer rating about a particular website, then previous visits, those who have already gone through that, then particular based on a code they can generate some information, then seller rating. So this is the one more. Now targeting options here. So how you can, as a search adverts are targeted in a variety of ways depending on how you want to reach your intended audience. Targeting your advertisement means you know that the traffic you are getting in relevant to your product. So how many people, like now car as an example we have taken, there is nothing but only a car as an example. We can also take some other beauty, some of the products if they want. So they when they type in the Google page, it will show again all the relevant information about a particular product. So similarly here, when you target the particular people or an option here, you have to need like use keywords and match types. So to concentrate as the first thing. So it is not enough to simply pick the right keywords. You need to know about the different ways in which the search engine interprets and matches. So whenever you type some information, it will show many results. Either maybe some may be useful, some may not be useful, but you have to see which type you want as a information there. Keywords and match types to be seen. So Google Word using the following match type like broad match, modifier, phrase match, exact match, and negative match. So broad match, it indicates your advertisement will appear for the keywords. Keywords when you entered, it will directly show some of the results for that. Broad match modifier is an additional targeting option that gives you tighter control than broad match. Comparing to the previous one, it will be giving some modifier. It will be in the form of the information. So there is one more options in the form of the Google AdWords will be using here. So which will again direct the particular information like implement the press before the keyword. Something you are mentioning additional to the keywords. That is a broad match modifier. Phrase match, which is donated with the quotation marks around the keywords like phrase match. When single inverted commas, you are mentioning the product so that it will be directly linking. Extract match, so it is denoted by square brackets. If you write some information in the square brackets and if you try to find out the information, this is the one more the Google ad is providing here. Negative match denoted by dash in front of the keywords. If you want some information about its negative feedbacks, all this, it can also be generated through this hyphen or a negative mark what you are using. So these are the 5 things. Then second as, so this is actually first one here, keywords and match types. So under that, these 5 match types will be used. Second as language and location targeting. When you target here, you have to again see what is the location and the language what the customers use, whether they want in English, whether they want in Kannada, or maybe in all these additional Hindi, or maybe based on the languages. So that is need to be in, and the location where they are exactly, what kind of information they want. So that will be dependent on here the target option. So last one as behavioral and demographic targeting. So based on the customer's perception here, how they will be perceiving a product, and based on their demographic or a population or which the targeted people, how many they are there. So all this it will matters here for a target option. So that is the second one more concept, targeting option. 3 aspects to be considered: keyword and match types, then language and location, behavioral and demographic targeting. Hope you are getting, are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then building bidding and ranking for search ads. Now bidding here something they are it's an auction, you know, that bidding or something based on a payment which is they are going for a quotation, or maybe they bid for a particular option which they feel it should be, it should give some benefit to their company. So as you know, search advertisements are charged on a pay per click or a per click basis. The cost that you pay for every click is determined by a variety of factors here. So the some factors we have to consider for bidding. So different advertising platforms offer advanced bidding options, all aimed at helping you to run your advertising campaign better. So that is how you can go here. They will be going with the search engine. One bigger auction model is there. So with the auction model, it indicates here again the advertisers will be there based on bid price what they give, then cost per click what is the price. So three advertisers bidding on the same key phrase. So that is the they are going to charge here. Search advertising is usually run on this model. So advertisers place bid to appear based on a certain criteria. The advertising platform determines when advertisements are eligible to appear. So all this based on that, they will be going to decide here, they will bid here for their advertisement to appear in the Google Ads. And second, as first aspect under this, conversion and click-through rates. So based on here the bidding, we will be going to see what is the conversion and click-through rates here. How many customers are going to buy the products here. Search engine looks at the factors such as relevancy, try to ensure that it's not just advertisers will deep pockets that can land to the top and listing. So search advertising or maybe search engines need to ensure that users find the advertisement relevant. They should feel that here the information is relevant and they have to depend on the particular website. There is a click-through rate. So how many customers they are going to click that particular website, and how many they are converting, like conversion rate may be based on how many they are following that particular website. Ads at the top of the page generally have the following qualities. When you give the information that are very relevant to user search query, they should feel that yes, when I have entered some information to get in a Google, I have got many more results to that. That feeling should get. They consistently perform well with the high CTRs over time. So the CPC bids are competitive and outbids that the ads of the same quality. So all these three should be concentrated here: the consistency of the information to get, and how competitive it is, and how they are useful for their inquiry. Next, as bidding process here, how they go with the bidding. So this is like, again, the advertisers need to determine the maximum they are willing to pay for a click. So this is between the bidding process happens between the advertisers when they give some advertising, let's say online search. So how the transaction it will happen between them. So there is a process what it is. So similarly here also you can see some advertisers and the bid price and cost per click they will go for fixing here based on the bidding process. So this will be an auction, like the kind of auction they are going to do. And here A1, A2, A3 bid maybe with some dollars they have mentioned here the money respectively in the same keywords. The search engine has a minimum price of US dollar on that same keyword. So here it shows how the advertisements would be positioned and what they would each pay for a click. So what is they will be going to expect for each pay of click here, they will be going to decide. So this is the one more bidding process. And finally, as here, adverts adverts quality score. So this is here the scores what it is giving for a particular website. Like maybe it is based on determining among the factors, the relevance of the keywords, the people whether they are feeling that these keywords are qualitative one. When you enter that, yes, you are getting a good quality score to that. So that is a Google advertisement. So we can see the meaning as well as the bid an advertiser places in a keyword. The search engine will take a number of other factors into account. In case of Google AdWords, this is known as quality scores. So quality scores is applied on keywords. So when they feel that when they type some information to get in the website keywords, they should feel that there is a quality information what they are getting. So quality scores is ranked as like great keywords is relevant to their particular what information, or it is a okay kind, or it is a poor. So based on they are going to give the numbers. Now poor it is 1, 2, 3, 4 points they can give, or okay it is 5, 6, 7, and if they feel it is a great information they can go for 8, 9 and 10 as a quality scores to give. So this is the one more topic related to the bidding and ranking for search ads. How they are going for bidding here a particular website or maybe in that ad to generate. So this is how the process will go, conversion and click-through rates. Then they can go for a bidding process to follow with the different options. Then ad quality scores they can concentrate here. So next as tracking as one more separate concept it has been given in the syllabus. So it is just to know here what is how whether they are tracking in the sense, if you go with some campaign or any of the advertisements, you have to see that what is the conversion of this, like you have to follow it, maybe whether customers are getting proper information for a particular keywords what they enter in the Google or not. If you like no track here, so no following the follow up, if may not happens, so the company will not come to know whether the customers are happy with the particular or search online advertisements what they give. So tracking has to happen. So this is for the process. Now finally, as the advantages and challenges. So advantages here, it is a cost effective method for giving the search advertisements in a website. So it is little bit cost effective, so that companies can offer or they can go for it. Targeted, it is you can target a particular demographic or a location of people here. It is measurable based on your pay per click. You can see that how many customers have visited. Customizable, so you can make for a particular customer. Like maybe now car seller as an example we have taken. So similarly, you can also concentrate on other areas like the cosmetics or maybe kids section. All this you can based on a age wise you can go with giving the advertisement. So customized advertisement you can give. It is not only the target you are focusing, you can also concentrate on other demographics or maybe other groups also. So training resources, there are again often free what online some of the courses and materials which is available for increasing the enhancing the skill of a particular companies here. They can go for some online courses here, that is based on the advantage here to learn something about online advertisement, and it is fast. So it is a fast impact of a pay per click efforts. Almost immediately you can find out when the customers click over a particular link or a keyword. So this adds some of the advantage. And finally, it is a last this one topic related to this challenge. So search ads are non-visual. So it is a non-visual. You can see there is a not of much what like content highly engaging. The search ads are text based, the lack of visual elements. They are not showing any videos or maybe images are less here. Only the related to the text, it is they are writing heading and below they are giving websites, all this. So it is not that much attractive. So that is how they are mentioning it is a non-visual. It is one of the demerit, or it may be a challenge for this kind of one of the options. So time investment, again you have to set up your paper campaign and leave them. You need to invest time into optimizing it again. So already they have mentioned you have to follow up. If you don't follow up what is happening, so it will invest again time. You have to again go for a see where the problems have occurred. All this need to be generated. And skills required, so it can take some practice to set up again effective campaign. Already they have mentioned it's not easy to go with this online advertising all aspects. You have to see that whether the proper skill or experts are using these sites or not. So cost can quickly add up here. If you are not monitoring and optimizing your campaign, again you have to go for investing more money, and your return on investment also will not be good. So that is how cost can quickly add up, so that you have to follow up and you have to see whether your websites and with your the information what you provide to the customers, whether it is effective or not. Clicks and visits don't always lead to sales. So you need to convince the user to convert once they reach your websites. That's what. Only click and if they visit don't always lead to sale here. You have to convince them, you have to motivate them. Again, you have to make them come again and again to your particular website. So that will provide a success. So this is a challenging one again to make this advertisement or maybe this concept to be successful. So that is how this is the topic for this class.